Hello, welcome to a video on plotting different types of curves and functions. Okay, first we can see a very simple plot expression that will help you to plot a curve as you can see here. So for that plot, this curve represents the function x square. X square. For this for obtaining this plot, you can just type plot x square. In the bracket you can type x square. You can just plot x square. Now you can take the output. You get that output. Okay, after that consider this another function x cube minus x. You have to plot the function x cube minus x. So you can copy it. You can type plot then in bracket x cube, so x cap 3 minus x, and you can take the output. You get that x cube minus x, the plot of the curve. Get the plot of the curve. Yeah, but and here that positions are revised here. You can see. Okay, after that, if you want to plot the function sin x, okay, to plot the function sin x, you can plot the function sin x. You are going to plot the function sin x. Plot in bracket sin x, the function sin x, and you can specify the range from -10 to +10. X equal to -10 to +10 is the field in which we want to see the plot. See that plot. Okay, next to plot the function sin x in the range. So plot sin x in the range. Okay, and that is repetition. Okay, next you have to plot if you want to plot x into sin 1 by x, you can plot this curve x into sin 1 by x. Plot x star sin and then 1 by x comma from the range minus of 0.01 to plus 0.01. Okay, taking the output. Yeah, from minus 0.01 minus minus 0.10 from minus 0.10 to plus 0.10, and the curve is plotted. Next, here this is an example of a combined plot, or in a single figure two curves are plotted. Here we want to plot. Okay, we want to plot the function. Okay, that copying facility. Okay, then plot sin x. You can type it, plot sin x. In bracket sin bracket x, plot sin x, comma -7 plus 7, -7 to 7, -7 comma 7 comma color CLOR equals green. COLOR equals quotation EREEN. color green. Since we want one more curve to be plotted in the same figure, you can give a plus symbol. You can copy the same thing and then paste it. Then the second function that you are going to plot is cos x. So plot cos x. So therefore the function part can be replaced by cos x. The sign can be replaced by, after copying you have to replace the sign, the function part, by x, and same range is given, but color must be changed. Which color you would like to give? Okay, red. The color is changed to red. Okay, then take the output. Okay, we have got that, we have obtained that output. Okay, this way we can plot any given function, can be plotted. So using this for obtaining this kind of plot, you can type a plot sin x, then -7 +7, and color greeny yellow. But thickness, you can the curve thickness of the curve can be specified, can be varied. Thickness can be varied, and that is here given 5. That you can vary the value, you can change the value. And then title, you can give a title to that. If you want to give a title to the curve, then you can use title equals, and the required title, the desired title, can be given inside the single quotation mark. After that you can close it and you can take the output. Okay, then another plot command is this is circle plot. You can plot the circle using the command circle. In this command, first you can use the command part circle, and then the bracket. Inside the bracket, one more bracket you can open, in which you can specify the center of the circle. First, this is the center, 0 0 is the center of that circle, then comma radius you can specify. After that, one more circle if you want to include here with a different color. But here the first circle will be plotted here using the default color. The default color is usually blue. So in the blue color, in blue color, you can see that centralize that circle with the center at the origin, and having radius 2. Then the second circle will be plotted with center at 1 2, then having radius 3. Here the green circle has radius 3, and then color you have to specify color equal to green. So we can copy it and just try to obtain the output. Circle, then 0 0. Okay, so plus circle. Okay, green. Okay, that's now complete. You can wait for the output. That output is obtained. Fine. Next, to draw a polygon, you can draw the polygon, but for drawing polygon you have to specify the vertices of the polygon. See that example. This is a polygon, it's a triangle. In this triangle, this you can treat it as a polygon. It has vertices. This is the vertex, and this is the second vertex, and the third vertex, and the coordinates of the vertices must be specified. So in this polygon command, then you have to use the bracket, first opening ordinary bracket. Inside that you have to use the square bracket, and then you have to specify 0 0 as the one vertex, another vertex is 0 1, and then 1 2 as the vertex. Okay, you can copy it and paste it. Polygon. Okay, then we will take the output. Now error, it is showing some error. What is the reason for that error? You have to debug that. An error, it shows some error. And polygon in bracket, square bracket, to check all the bracket. Then inside that you can see again that ordinary bracket is coming, but square bracket we require that square bracket, so you have to cancel that. Then okay, after that that's now okay. I think it is now okay. Okay, and that's correct. So since when I copied that expression, by mistake some error occurred, some typing error occurred. So now it is okay, correct. Next, to obtain the polygon ellipse, you can see, but in this case you can specify more and more vertices. If to not to get a more complex polygon, you can specify all the vertices using or following the same structure. Now, to draw an ellipse, for drawing an ellipse you have to specify the center and also then 1 3 that is the length of the this line segment here, and length of this line segment also. That's the major and minor axis you have to specify. I mean, here you specify major and minor axis in the case of ellipse, and these values are given as numbers. So the syntax is given here. Okay, and try to take the output. And there is no error. Wait for the output. Why? It's yeah, we have that output. Next, to draw a disk, you can use this command to, yeah. So you can take a note of that. You can use the disk command to draw a disk like this. Okay, there you have the the center of the disk, and then radius, maybe the radius. The next number is next quantity is radius. After that, 0 to 2 into pi, 2 pi, 0 to pi, and then color green. Okay, this can be copied to okay. We have obtained that disk. Next, this disk, in this disk, by specifying this value here, the circle, you have a circle and the disk. In the disk you have the option to specify the specify a part of that disk in a specific color. Here, since we give the value as 2 pi, 2 pi is the angle. It contains from 0 to 2 pi. You have to see in this command. You can see 0 to 2 pi. 2 pi is 360. So from starting point is 0 up to 360. The disk considers for drawing. But in this case you can see, and that the portion of the disk that we consider is from 0 to the angle here equal to, angle mentioned here is equal to pi by 4. Okay, from 0 to pi by 4. So this is the second part of the figure. Second part here is used to draw the disk, in which you can see that angle is specified from 0 to pi by 4 in green color, using green color. But in using red color, you are drawing a circle having the same center 0 0 and having radius 1, but the color is red. So this figure is a combination of two pictures. So it's a combination of two figures actually, and first figure is the circle having center at origin and radius 1 unit, and a disk having only a portion of that disk, and that portion is specified by the angle from 0 to pi by 4 that you can see in this command. 0 to pi by 4 is used. You can try it in a different form. You can try the same thing in different form. You can see another similar command is given, and that can give, but the dashed line instead of that thick line, continuous line. If you are interested in drawing circle with a dashed line, you can make that change, this line style equal to dashed and color red. So that change you can apply. see the application of implicit plot. In the case of more than one variable, two variables, in the case of two variables, you can use the implicit plot function, implicit plot, the plot function. So that's an important area for specifically you have to in this case you have to specify the variable x comma y. After that, then implicit for plot function can be used to plot the curve of the function. Then after giving that function, that's y square equal to 4x is the function. Y square equal to 4x is the function used to plot here, but you have to specify the range of the x and range of y. And area equal to true. Area must be given the quantity area. That axis equal to true. This axis must be given the value true. Okay, using this command you can obtain a plot like this. And so it's a special kind of plot, the implicit plot, implicit IMPLICIT subscript plot. IMPLICIT subscript plot. Okay, and the command you can carefully look at this command and you can type it. Then for plotting 3D type of plot, you can use. There also you have to, in most of the cases, in the case of 3D plot, there will be more than one variable. So more than one variable. Therefore, you have to specify variable x, y. After that, you have to define the function f x, y. Here the given function is defined, f x, y equal to x square plus y square. After that, the command, the plot 3D is the command. So for implicit plot, the function is IMPLICIT subscript plot, and but in the for plotting three-dimensional plot, plot 3D is the command, plot 3D command. Then as usual you can type f of x, y, then comma, then a range of x can be specified, x comma lower value of x and upper value of x. After that, that all together in one bracket it should be given. Then after that comma, then y, lower value of x, y, and upper value of y. Lower value of y and upper value of y can be given, and then thus you can complete that. After that you can obtain graphics is the 3D object. Then parametric plot is another type of plot, parametric plot. There you have to define a parameter, a variable that is defined as variable, and in bracket the parameter t is the used here. Then parametric plot function can be used. Parametric subscript plot. Then the function is given in square bracket, and t is specified as parameter, and then t square, t comma t square. Okay, now the function is t comma t square, t square, and then comma t, the range of t must be specified, t then minus pi to plus pi. So this is the curve that can be obtained. Then polar plot is another plot, another type of plot. And variable t, there also we define variable t. Then polar subscript plot, then the function can be given in bracket 1 plus 2 into cos 1.05 into t, and then comma t comma 0. So this, it specifies the range in which the plot must be created. So t comma 0 comma 200 into pi. Then plot points 500. Okay, and that gives us the output. Okay, these are the important type of plots. Thank you.